Guys, my name is Kia Billingsley, back again. Guys, I just wanted to get on here, let you know that I'm getting my LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS on Wednesday. Guys, I went out, I tried to get it on Saturday. I wanted it on Saturday, but a lot of the stores that I went to where I live, they did not participate in the promotion that they had. If you port a number over, you get it for free. So they didn't have it. And then I went to another Metro PCS that actually has the deal going on, but he said he will not get any more phones until Wednesday. So I'm waiting for Wednesday to come, guys. Wednesday I should have the Stylo 4 in my hand. I don't know, I might wait to make the video Thursday or Friday because I'm back at work and I'll be kind of busy. But yes, I didn't forget about you guys. I still have the LG Stylo 4 coming to the channel real soon. I ordered me a Poetic heavy duty case for it, and I'll be ready to rock. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll be back again with another one. I'm out.